Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we are down in another crawl space that we just finished encapsulating here in Lewes, Delaware. Now, originally, another waterproofing or encapsulation company had been doing this job in some sort of moisture control, but we'll show you some before and after pictures of what it looked like before we got here. So we have now finished the encapsulation. There's our April Air 1850. We have it split off in two different ways to handle dumping the dry moisture around the crawl space. As you can see, everything looks absolutely beautiful, right? As always, good quality work. This one had some additional issues, so there was a lot of water coming in here. We had to put a massive full drainage system all the way around here. I mean, everywhere. And there's two parts to this crawl space. You can see the second part down there. We ended up having to put a big drainage system and encapsulate all that as well. But I'll take you through here real quick. You see this one has tons of pipes and wires and tubing everywhere. We got two sub pumps in here, one over there to handle all the water that was coming in here. So you can just see great quality workmanship as always from HydroHero. So this homeowner trusted us to come take care of their place, make sure it looked absolutely beautiful. We are very appreciative of that. If you need crawl space encapsulation, please call HydroHero at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com. Thanks so much.